Welcome back to Educational Guru. In today's video, we are going to see the chapter 1 of class 8 question answers. I mean to say that we are going to see the exercise questions which are at the back questions and which are very important, and sometimes you guys don't understand. That's why I'm going to make this video. So let's start. The first question is select the correct word from the following list and fill in the blanks. So you have to select the correct word from the following, you have given this type of some options, so you have to just select some words and you have to paste them. So here I have some answers ready, so let's see. The same kind of plants grown and cultivated on large scale at a place is called crop. So crop क्या है? It is the same kind of plant which is grown and cultivated on large scale. The next thing is the first step before growing the preparation is the preparation of soil. So the first step is to prepare the soil. Okay, for growing the crop is prepare the soil. Now next is damaged seed would float on top of water. So damaged seed will always float on water. Just remember it properly. Now the next thing, or the fourth question, is for growing a crop sufficient light, water and nutrients from the soil are essential. Now let's go to the match the following. So in this match following, you have seen that kharif crop, rabi crop, chemical fertilizers, organic manures. Okay, so I have made a separated video for the introduction of chapter 1, so you guys can also check them from my previous video, or you guys can go to my channel and check the previous video. So kharif crops जो हैं, its example is paddy and maize, rabi के wheat, gram pea, and chemical fertilizers के urea and super sulfate, and organic manures is animal excreta, cow dung, urine and plant waste. Now next thing is give 2 examples of each, as we done the examples now only, so I think that this will be clear to you. So I think I don't have to say again and again. So the next thing is preparation. Okay, so you have to write a paragraph on these words or on these steps. So in our previous video I have explained everything, so I think you guys can be understand it and you guys can yourself write it. Okay, so explain how fertilizers and are different from manures. So fertilizers and manures are different. How? So fertilizer जो है, it is an inorganic substance. Okay, and manure जो है, it is an organic substance. Fertilizers are prepared artificially and manures is obtained by decomposition of animals, plants and human waste. So the next thing, or the next point for it is prepared in factories and it is prepared in fields. Means manures जो हैं वो fields में prepare किए जाते हैं. So they does not provide humus to the soil, rich in plant nutrients and relatively less plant nutrients. इसमें थोड़े plant nutrients थोड़े less होते हैं इसको provide करने के लिए. Next is long term usage has adverse effect on the soil. So अगर हम इसको long time के लिए use करेंगे तो हमारी soil के लिए हानिकारक है, अच्छा नहीं है हमारी soil के लिए. Okay, so next thing is so this one is long term usage improves soil fertility. So जो manures हैं वो बहुत ही अच्छी चीज़ें हैं, so you have to try them for the crops. Okay, next is what is irrigation? Describe 2 methods of irrigation which conserve water. So we have to conserve water and we have to do the methods of irrigation. So let's see. So first of all you have this definition of irrigation, that it is a supply of water at regular intervals is called irrigation. So now the 2 types of irrigation, drip irrigation and sprinkler system. Okay, so these both are also discussed in my previous videos, you guys can check out them. If wheat is sown in Kharif season, what would happen? Discuss. So if wheat is sown in Kharif season, so what will happen that due to the unfavorable temperature, pests and adaptable conditions, the plant will not grow in Kharif season during rainy season. Okay, hence it is not wise idea to grow wheat in Kharif crop. I think you guys are properly understand with this, which I am explaining. So next let's go to the 8th question, which is explain how soil gets affected by the continuous plantation of soil in a field. Means अगर कोई continuous plants अगर हम उगाई जा रहे हैं, we are growing continuously plants, so उससे क्या effect होगा soil पे. So let's see. So this question is little long. So plants require nutrients for the growth. Without optimum nutrients, plants will die. अगर उसको proper nutrients नहीं मिलेंगे ना तो वो plants जो है वो die हो जाएंगे, वो मर जाएंगे. Okay, so continuously plantation of crops result in depletion of certain nutrients. तो अगर हम बार बार किसी, जैसे मान लीजिए ये एक फील्ड है या मतलब ये एक जगह है जहाँ मैंने बहुत सारे प्लांट्स बार बार उगाई जा रही हूँ, तो इससे क्या होगा, डेप्लेशन ऑफ सर्टेन न्यूट्रिएंट्स, कुछ न्यूट्रिएंट्स से डेप्लेशन हो जाएगा, लाइक नाइट्रोजन, फॉस्फेरस एंड पोटेशियम एक्सेट्रा. सो फॉस्फेरस, पोटेशियम, नाइट्रोजन, ये सब जो चीज़ें हैं इनकी डिप्लेशन न्यूट्रिएंट्स की हो जाएंगी. दिस रिजल्ट इन द डिक्रीज ऑफ यील्ड ड्यू टू लॉस न्यूट्रिएंट्स. देयर शुड बी नो गैप बिटवीन क्रॉप्स इन ऑर्डर टू गेट अ गुड यील्ड. सो आई थिंक यू आर क्लियर. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट आर वीड्स. वीड्स क्या हैं, हाउ वी कैन कंट्रोल दैम. सो वीड्स जो है ना वो है अनडिजायरेबल प्लांट्स, ठीक है, जो अपने आप ही ग्रो हो जाते हैं क्रॉप्स पे. सो अनडिजायरेबल प्लांट्स जो हैं उनको हम वीड्स कहते हैं, और इनको कंट्रोल करने के लिए मेथड होता है जिसको हम कहते हैं वीडिंग. सो टिलिंग बिफोर सोइंग ऑफ क्रॉप्स हेल्प्स इन अपरूटिंग एंड किलिंग ऑफ वीड्स. तो जब भी आप सो कर रहे हैं तो उससे क्या करना चाहिए, उसके पहले हमें टिलिंग करनी चाहिए, which may then dry up and get mixed with soil. So उससे क्या होगा, जो हमारी soil है वो dry हो जाएगी और अच्छे से mix हो जाएगी. So weeds are controlled by using certain chemicals called weedy seeds. So कुछ chemicals होते हैं उसके लिए weedy seeds, जिससे हमारी जो weeds हैं वो control हो जाते हैं. Now next is arrange the following boxes in proper order to make a flow chart of sugarcane production. So अब इनको हमें proper एक जगह पे प्लेस करना है ताकि वो शुगर केन चार्ट जो है शुगर केन क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन का चार्ट हमें एक हिसाब का बनाना है. सो एज यू ऑल कैन सी दैट इन माई स्क्रीन. Okay, so preparation of soil is the first thing. Now the second thing is plowing the field. Third is sowing. Four is manuring. The fifth is irrigation, the harvesting, okay, and the seventh is sending crop to sugarcane factory. So now is complete the following word puzzle with the help of clues given below. So इधर आपको एक puzzle दी गई है तो इसको आपको clues के through उसको पूरा करना है. So as you all can see, the first for the downwards, first is irrigation, storage. So as you all can see on my screen, these are the answers, and here we have filled it. So as you all can also do this. So I think this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, so please like, share and subscribe to Educational Guru for more updates and more educational videos. And I hope you all like my channel. So please comment on this video how you like this video, and please subscribe to our channel and make our channel family big and big. Thanks for watching.